What's cracking, you guys? We're starting off this one at night. 7 at night, I came across a Facebook market deal. We're actually on our way, I want to say Garden Grove, Anaheim area, borderline around there. We're actually gonna go meet up some dude, and we're gonna pick up some shorties, some shorty headers. Meantime, I do the swap, I get the other engine in. Keep in mind, the 6.0 has long tube headers. This one, it's a 4.8, so they love back pressure. With long tube headers, you end up losing all that back pressure. Therefore, you need to put on some short tube headers. And they're Gibsons. Getting them at a good price, just to make a little bit of noise. It ain't gonna be too exaggerating, but it'll sound nice. I remember my boy Carlos, El Viejito, shout out my boy. He had Gibson headers on I forgot como le habían puesto esa truck. It was a white step set. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it right here. That truck sounded real nice. But then again, it had a 6.0, had Gibson long tube headers. In the beginning, it had the Shorties. But we're gonna try them out. We're gonna see. I'm gonna get them. They're a little on the rough side, but I'll get them ceramic coated and make them look brand new again. And then we'll see later on if I end up keeping them or selling them. We'll find out. But for the meantime, you guys, don't forget, follow me on Instagram just to keep up with a lot more updates, up to date. I do update on there a lot more frequently than I do here on YouTube. At Gordo, GORDOOH.JRFBB. That's a long name. I might change it. But for now, follow me and enjoy this video. Vámonos.
Back up, here comes Sideways Gordo. Ready, guys? Go.
A few inches later.
What's up, brother? You mind if I check them out real quick?
Yeah, they're in there.
Yeah.
This one, huh?
There you go? Yeah. Nah. Let me check them out real quick. Let's see this. Oh, yeah. And you had them on this one here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I took them off. I went to long tubes.
Yeah, you went long tube route?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of them are good. You might just want to set it down a little bit.
Yeah, nah, well, I'm a coat them.
Yeah, I would get them like Cerakoted or
ceramic coated, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that to my long tubes. Well, this is my third build actually.
Yeah, these are Shorties.
Yeah,
So
it was just first phase, just to make a little bit of noise. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You mind if I check out the other one real quick? I got the money right here.
Yeah.
Here, mommy.
I was gonna say, I have the money.
Yeah, no worries. I got you, bro. Nah, I got you. I'm on a wheelchair, man.
I get it. Just
my reputation's everything,
I
man.
can't trust anybody.
Nah, you're good. I don't blame you, man. You don't mind if I record this, right? All right, cool. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I just making sure they don't have like any major cracks or leaks. You
No,
know?
the only thing is the this is kind of falling off. You could just retack it though.
Yeah. I mean,
I don't know if you have a welder or anything.
Yeah,
the guys that are gonna do the exhaust. But other than that, bro, no scratches, no holes. They don't.
No holes. Yeah. That's all I'm looking
I never
for.
had any exhaust leaks.
Yeah.
So.
And they sound nice, I'm sure,
they sound
right?
pretty good. Yeah, they give it a nice rumble.
Yeah. Nothing like long tooth, but.
Nah, it's not super loud.
Did you have the cats when you had this?
I did. So I did run my OEM cats, and I made a V-band.
Okay. Yeah.
So it butted up to that on the sides, and then I made a Y pipe to a cat.
Okay.
Yeah, but I ran the cats right off each side.
Oh, each side,
and then to a Y pipe.
Into a Y pipe.
For a while, and then.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably do the same thing. I just want a little bit of noise. I have a 4.8, so.
Yeah, dude, 4.8s are better for boost.
Oh yeah, and
I don't know how you're building
Shorties.
it, but.
I'm not gonna. I have a LQ9 for it already built.
Okay.
But
What are you doing with that?
I'm gonna swap it into this one.
Okay.
Here, let me show you. All right, so we're back home, you guys. As you guys see, I had to take out my tips. But if you're interested in knowing more about my kennel or my business or what I do to survive, go ahead and follow my Instagram page, my kennel page at Flatface Bullies with 2 Z's. I upload on there a lot, but right now I don't have any litters, as in I'm not whelping or I haven't produced any litters at the moment. But my females are about to come into heat. We'll be back on it. That's why I'm taking advantage right now. So when I'm doing that, I have some videos to bust out, you know what I mean? So all these videos are a little bit pre-recorded, but I mean, hey, I'm not even supposed to be up, but I'm up just to give you guys content, to have content to produce and drop throughout the time. And also, if you guys do want to support me, I mean, the only thing I do as an income base is breed, right? But just like any other business, the market is saturated. It is a little hard to get what the pups are worth. And I mean, in businesses, you take L's and you take W's. Sometimes it can be full of wins, W's, but when the L's hit, man, it can be one after another and it kind of sucks, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. But enough the rant. Let me show you guys these Gibson Shorty headers. So this is gonna be phase 1 of Big Face. Like I said, just to have a little bit of noise, make it sound a little different. They are in great shape, to be honest. I'm just gonna have them get coated. I'm gonna drop these off, and the suspension parts, I'm gonna get those powder coated. I'm gonna get these ceramic coated. So they can be in good shape. Like I said, it'll be phase 1 of Big Face while we're doing mods to it and all that, just to have a little bit of noise for the 4.8. Meantime, we do the swap. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, like I said, I'm not even supposed to be up, but I am trying to produce and create content for you guys, just so you guys know and get the jizz of behind the scenes, you know what I mean? What it takes to build a truck on a budget, to be honest. I'm doing this on a budget, because if it was up to me, it would have been slammed already. It would have had a sunroof, have the back window. I have all kinds of parts that I've been stacking up. I think the next thing I'm gonna do to that, I need to go to Rosamond, where I have the other step side. If you guys go a couple videos back, you've seen that I did purchase another truck off of my boy Serrano, Panda Innovations. My boy, I'm gonna link up with him pretty soon, and then we'll switch. We're gonna go ahead and switch the quarter panel on the step side, the one that's cracked. You guys can see right here. I do have a perfect one of those, and it is the same color. So we'll do that. Then we'll do suspension and brakes. Drop it a little bit. That's what I mean. And then we'll do the back window, tints, paint. You'll see. Whatever I do to it, you guys are gonna see firsthand. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this clip here. I'm gonna pick this up. Well, right now I'm actually we're gonna go take a trip, drive a couple miles. I want to say about 20 miles out up north towards Long Beach, and then we're gonna come back down. I need to run my element. Tags are due And per California laws, if you want to glide by them and don't want to do everything crooked, the cars have to be running legitimate. So therefore, the battery keeps on dying. It's an issue I've been having with the car. Battery keeps on dying. And when the batteries die, it resets all the sensors. So it needs some miles to read them again. And I'll show you guys right now. Before, I'll show you guys right now. Let's go. Come with me. Bam. All right. So, like I was explaining earlier, we're actually out doing Uber Eats. I'm out with my brother, helping him with the shortcuts, all that stuff. But so this is what I was talking about. In California, there's certain requirements that we gotta abide by. And what I mean by requirements is the emissions. So as you see here, I got all green checks. This means my car does not register it. It don't need it, which is cool. Green checks means it's good for smog. But this evap, like I was mentioning earlier, my Element has an issue of battery drainage. There's somehow power is always on that side, right? So therefore it drains the battery. When you disconnect the battery, everything on your vehicle resets. So therefore you gotta run it a couple, it can be 50, it can be 100 miles, 150, but last I heard is this evap needs about 150 miles to reset. We've only done a couple, so I think it won't reset until tomorrow. We have to drive a little further. I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably send my brother. I won't be able to get up, like I said. I am limited, you guys. So I'm only doing this to give you guys a little bit of content to wrap it up. But I mean, I'm still gonna continue this video eventually. The next thing we're gonna do is hopefully we can go. I'm still waiting on parts, but I need to go and powder coat some suspension parts. I'm not gonna drop it a lot, to be honest. It's only gonna be like 2-3 inches up in the front and about 2-3 inches in the back. Nice little drop for now, simple. And then I'm waiting for more parts, but I gotta go drop off those suspension parts, powder coating, and then the headers that I just got, I'm gonna go get them ceramic coated. So we'll pick up there. I'll bring you guys along, and then we'll go from there. All right, vámonos. We're gonna go wrap this up so we can call it a night. We'll see. Vámonos.